And I'm going to turn around so you guys can see, how thick it is. And I guess you can sort of see it there. But, you can't see my hand through my hair. Hello, everyone. My name is Dolce Dawn, and I am here to talk about hair. This was a request. I run a blog called Dolce's Closet. I run a blog, and one of my readers requested that I do a video on hair. Now, on my blog, I talk about a lot of things. I talk about hair, makeup, this and that, but more recently, I've been focusing in on my hair because, just a little background, I got sick. I got sick not too long ago, and on my hair, it caused my hair to fall out. So it was very thin, and meanwhile, before I got sick, it was pretty long. It was almost waist length. It wasn't waist length, but it was almost waist length. But it was nice and thick and full and this and that and yada yada. And then it started to fall out and get really thin. I could see my eyebrows through my bangs and all this other stuff, so I didn't know what was going on. So needless to say, right now, I'm going through recovery mode. So I'm trying to get my hair back to full health and back to a nice length. I mean, this is pretty nice. It's not bad. I'd like it a little longer. So the whole purpose of me, I guess, well, today we're going to be talking about hair, okay? And so my whole purpose in putting up these videos so far is to basically document my journey. So if you guys are very interested in checking out what products I use, I am relaxed, okay? So I am relaxed. I do have a chemical in my hair, which is, I don't have color. And I'm trying to think of what else. I do cut my own hair, okay? So if you're interested at all in checking out like how I do what I do and how long this journey is going to take me, and basically what I'm going to do to get back to full health. I think I'm basically there as far as the health. If you can tell, my hair is pretty full right now, and I'm going to turn around so you guys can see, how thick it is, and I guess you can sort of see it there. But, you can't see my hand through my hair, and like a few months ago, that was not the case. And I document all this on my blog. But yeah, I'm here to basically share tips and tools and things of that sort. I do use heat in my hair. I flat iron, so I'm going to share my regimen, share shampoo, conditioner. I cut my own hair. I flat iron it. And being that I cut my own hair, and it's just me, so I use certain tools. So the tools that I use to sort of make it even, make sure it's not raggedy looking. And there's a certain way that I like to cut my bangs. I like them right above my eyes, and so to even that out and so forth and so on. So if you're interested at all in following me along in my journey, I would love to have you, okay? I don't know if I'm just going to be talking about hair, because I like a lot of different stuff, just like a lot of people do. But we're going to see where this goes, okay? I do want to let you know that hair does not consume me, okay? I don't think about my hair 24/7. I know a lot of people spend a lot of time trying to get their hair together, and it is a journey. It can be a job. It definitely can be a job. But I'm one who thinks that less is more. I don't spend all day and 2 days of preparing and this and washing and then sealing ends and this and that and cut and this, wrap it up, take it down. I don't do all that. I keep it very simple. Like I said, I feel that less is more, and it sort of works for me, So again, I'd love to share that with you guys. I'm going to try and fly in some pictures of before and after. Again, before I got sick. And I don't want to dramatize it. I mean, I wasn't close to death or anything like that. But I got sick. I came down with anemia. And what happens is there's a lot of symptoms, but also one of the symptoms is that your hair can fall out. And I didn't know what was going on. I was chewing on ice, and I'm thinking, oh, I just like ice. Meanwhile, things are happening, and I'm just like, whoa, what is going on? So again, to go from a full head of hair to see-through. And when I say see-through, I mean you could see my shirt through my hair. It was just very surprising. I'll say it like that. Yeah, so I've been doing my hair for a long time. I have salon stories, just like probably a lot of you guys. And that's what started my hair journey, because I'll tell you about that later, because I have a couple of stories about that. But yeah, so ever since then, and I didn't have a good salon experience, I said, you know what? I'll start doing my hair myself. I mean, that way, if anything goes wrong, I can get mad at myself, and I can learn along the way. So with that being said, I'm going to show you the length of my hair. Again, you can sort of see the shine, but just to give you an idea of where we're starting, because we're going to do this together. But where we're starting, it's a little past shoulder length. So I'm going to show you the length, the fullness, and let's see if we can do that right now. If it's making a lot of noise, I'm sitting on a chair, and don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Things are falling. Don't worry about it. Okay, so I'm gonna use the mirror so I know that I'm in the shot. But that's my hair. Sorry for the dirty mirror. Sheesh. But that's my hair, okay? That's about the length of it. Well, that is the length of it. So if you can tell, this is my shoulder, obviously, and that's my hair. I remember when it used to, this is my waist, and I used to be able to just put my hand on my waist and just touch it right here. Man, but we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there, but that's my hair. Okay, guys? So I don't, but that's my hair. And yes, again, I cut my own hair, so. So yeah, this is what we're going to do, guys. So again, if you're interested, you want to check me out, check me out, and all that good stuff, I'd love to have you back. Come on back. Let's do this together. Let's get this cracking, okay? Let's get this moving. Let's dial in so we can get it in together. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Shout out to my blog reader. I'm not going to put her on blast. But thank you so much for asking me to do this. This is going to be fun. This is going to be fun. Okay, guys? So I will be posting, let's see. I'll be posting regularly. Let me see how everything happens. Let me see how this flows. And we'll get it together. I'll put up another video. We'll get this thing cracking. Let's do this. Let's get this handled. Okay? All right. Thank you so much for watching.